Oh my god. This is so nice.
Hello guys, I'm Daniel from Yes Construction and Copper and Tile. In this short video we will quickly show you how to create stunning bathroom like this step by step. Let's dive straight in. After the strip out, and as you can see we went back to brick, we stripped out all the render and plasterboards. We then installed all the plumbing. I didn't record the plumbing side of things because I thought it might be too long and might be boring for some viewers, but I am working on creating a separate video for that. So after the strip out, we installed moisture-resistant plasterboards on these walls. The reason why we're doing this because the walls were really bad. They were like 60 mil out of plumb. So the easiest way of bringing them back to level was to dotted up plasterboards. In the shower and bath area, we will install jacker boards on top of the plasterboards. Jacker boards will create waterproof barrier between the tiles and the plasterboard. Also, they are insulated, so they're reducing the condensation. Less condensation, less sweating behind the tiles. And obviously, on top of all of that, we will use a tanking kit to waterproof it further. Next is installation of the wet room shower tray. This particular one is reinforced, so it doesn't need full plywood coverage underneath it, but ample joist coverage is required. It's really sad to see how much other contractors sweeping the dirt under the floor. Let's clean it all up. Next is the bath installation. This bathroom will have both shower and the bath. I will install cementatious hardy barkers under the bath for waterproofing, and I will tape it all around with waterproofing tape. And as you see, we have the decoupling mat on the floor. Decoupling mat is essential. Number one, it waterproofs the floor. Number two, provides flexibility. Number three, extreme adhesion. Those three things are essential in successful floor tiling. As you see, in the middle of the bath, we have a hole as an access panel to the plumbing. Later, it will be tiled, but the access will be there. The bath panel is made of cementatious boards, hardy barkers. They are the best for the job. They are waterproof and water resistant, so they will never deteriorate from the moisture created by the condensation under the bath. All the corners of the bathroom are taped with waterproof tape installed on an adhesive. No spillage of water downstairs is possible. Let's get the tiles on. I really like watching the bathroom being tiled. by the way, guys, all the supplies for this bathroom came from one place. It's called Tile House. They have multiple branches across London. They deliver. You can purchase online. This is their website. Check them out, please. By the way, they don't sponsor my video. I just get good deals from them, so I don't mind mentioning them in my videos. The only sponsor of my videos, it's me, my time and my money. So please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you very much. Now, let's finish the tiling. Hi guys, sorry I look worse than usual today. Been unwell the whole week. Anyway, today is our final day on the job. We got it all tiled. I'm gonna show you around in a minute. All I've got now is the final fix, which is putting all the valves on, all the shower controls, the shower screen, vanity, plumbing in the basin, hanging the toilet and all of that. The best part of all of this is that Jack, the owner, he went on holiday, excuse me, a couple of weeks ago. He's skiing somewhere in France, and I promised him that we'll finish the job before he comes back. So he genuinely hasn't seen the bathroom. Just the beginning he saw, and then he left. So he hasn't seen the progress, nothing like that. And he also said he doesn't mind giving me a little interview. It's the first time my client wants to come on camera, so that's a treat for me. Yeah, so we are going to be able to genuinely capture his reaction. So this whole bathroom was his idea, design and all of that, and he was very excited about it. So yeah, it's gonna be quite cool to interview him and also capture his reaction. Alright guys, so this is the exciting moment. Jack is back from his holiday, and he's arriving probably in about a couple of hours, so I'm just gonna sit tight and wait. The job is finished, as you've seen in the video already, and just to let you know, we are getting a genuine reaction from Jack, because just before he left, all we've done is we've done demolition. We decided where things are going to be placed and etc. So where the spouts are going, where the shower head, and we discussed all the details. I made my notes, and Jack showed me some photo references from Pinterest and all sorts of other places, and this is how I want it. And now he hasn't seen it. Genuinely, he hasn't seen any of the progress. Once only I had to send him a little photo just to ask about small detail, but I didn't reveal too much in it. So yeah, so look, I know you get a lot of reaction videos on YouTube, and a lot of them is just stage bullshit. Sorry to say that, but that's true. I've been a part of a few of those myself, not on my videos, just happened to work with some YouTubers and doing some building work for them, and then I saw how they stage everything is not genuine. But this is a genuine reaction of my client. I did ask him over the phone, would you take a part in my video and I can film your reaction, how you feel about your new bathroom. And Jack is a young lad, and for the first time in my whole YouTube life, I've got one client that say, yeah, I don't mind, yeah, I can give you an interview. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. As I said, it's about a couple of hours. So I'm just gonna sit tight and wait, and yeah, let's wait for Jack. Alright Jack, I'm ready.
Okay. Oh my god. This is so nice.
What do you think?
Oh, I love it. The tiles are gorgeous.
Yeah, it was a bit of a gamble, isn't it? Very, very bold tiles.
Wow, it's so nice.
Your glass sink, isn't it? That's beautiful. I like that sink.
Yeah. This is such a big change. Wow.
Yeah, compared to what it was, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
God, it's such a good job.
Thank you, Jack. Yeah, well, we did take time, you know, to make sure that all the details are done nicely. The shower, bit of a problem with the pressure, but you've got to get that sorted with the Thames water, isn't it? So, what do you think about the whole? The whole like experience working with this?
It was great.
Yeah.
I went on holiday, came back a couple of weeks. Done. Yeah, really good.
Would you recommend our services?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
You're one of my easiest clients I've ever had. I must say you were very detailed and demanding, but that's a good thing, you know, because then it's, you know, everything's been discussed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is all lovely, all the spouts, isn't it?
Really nice.
Yeah. Oh. It's a good choice because this whole design, Jack has done it himself. He drew it up in a SketchUp, roughly showed it to me, said this is what I want. We ordered the tiles, done all the plumbing, bish bash bosh, and so credit to Jack. Jack designed this bathroom, and we were a bit scary, that bold kind of rusty copper color on the tiles, but it worked out really well. I really love this bathroom. It goes nicely with the brass and the rest of it. It's a lovely bathroom. Once again, Jack, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And once I post the video, I hope you're gonna watch it and give me a like.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thanks.